back here on my workshop table here. All right, gonna do a little test to make sure it works before I install it. Let's get the voltage down, just get down to 12 volts here. Let's get 12.4 volts is fine. All right, let's take the positive wire, hook it up. I don't need a fuse for this because it'll tell you how much the current is, so I don't need to hook that up right now. All right, hit positive is hooked up to it. And now for the ground. Alright, we get some light going here. Okay, some red, some green. Alright, blue. Okay. That's interesting. Alright, let's see, you can check the color. Alright. Now it's red. Okay, hit it again. Get green. Okay. Blue, so right across, pink or fuchsia, yellow. We got a blue purplish thing. Let's call it purple. All right, many different colors, rainbow. We got red, green, pink, yellow. Okay. Again, solid red. Solid green, solid blue, solid pink, solid yellow, solid blue. And then you got all the colors, and then the solid colors again. Okay, let's try this again in the dark. In the dark here. Okay, so you see the solid red. Press button again, and now we're getting green. Okay, and now we're getting blue. Now we get pink, and now we have yellow, and then we have purple or violet. We have all the colors here: red, yellow, pink, green, red. Yep. Okay. We're running at 12.3 volts, and we're pulling just 80 milliamps, so it's not that much. So the 5 amp fuse might be a bit overkill. We can just like a 1 amp, really. All right, let's crank up the voltage a little bit to 13.8. All right, there's no visible change from it. Okay, just check and make sure you can handle it, because it might get to 13.9 when you crank the engine up. North near start spinning up. Okay, all right, so we proved that it does work before you put it inside the vehicle. And the colors we get with it are red, we get green, we get blue, and we have pink, yellow, and like violet, and they have all the colors there.